How many numbers are there between 500 and 600 in which 9 occurs only once as a digit? So that means the numbers which we can count are 509, 519, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, and 89. Okay, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are 9 numbers. Apart from this, you can also count as 590, 591, 592, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Now you cannot count 99 because it has 9 occurring 2 times. So therefore 99 is cancelled. So if you count this again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 more digits. So 9 plus 9, total you have 18 digits. So that is your answer.